Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And Google has released a new version of Gemma models, the best open source model so far, that is Gemma 4, byte for byte, the most capable open source model. And they have also shared a chart that is mind boggling. If you look at it here, the model is even model performance versus size. It is the most optimized model so far that has been released in the open source arena, even beating out Kimi K2.5, GLM5, Quint 3.5, 397B, etc. So it's the best model for if you're looking for an SLM for your work. So in this short video, I would be explaining multiple things. First of all, Gemma 4 free API key, how you can access the model for free using a free API key provided by Nvidia. Then we'll also explore the local codes, how to run the model in your local system, and then a bit about the details of the model. So let's get started. So first of all, as you can see on my screen, I am on Nvidia's NIMS page. We have been using this page for a long time, which provides free API keys for most of the open source models. So if you go on the top left, here you can see that Google Gemma 3 31B instruction based model is present here. I'll click here. You can chat with the model. I tested out a prompt here. What is shown in this image? Here you can see that the image shows a street scene featuring the entrance to a Chinatown district, etc. etc. I just tried out the model. The model is a little slow, I would say, but I think given that, the model is quite good given the benchmarks. Now, not just that, you can chat with the model for free. You can even use a free API key. How to do that? Go to the top right, go to view codes, and in view code section, you can choose the language of your preference, be it Shell, Node, or Python. I'm choosing Python here. Here you can see that the entire codes are present. You just need to copy and click on generate API key. And you need to also log into an account. You need to create an account and NVIDIA names for that. So once you do that, you get an API key here in the header, as you can see automatically. To know the rates, what rates API limits we have, you need to click on the top right, your icon. Here you can see that your API rate limit is up to 40 RPM, which I'm using right now. So let's test out the code now. Here is the code. I've copied everything as it is. Here is an image that I'm using from my local system. Don't try to copy my API key because I would be deleting it ASAP once this video gets released. So don't try to copy that. You can create your own API key for free too. Once you see here, you got a response here, advanced calculus, etc. etc. It is giving some answers and stuff. What is shown in this image? I uploaded some image and it is giving a right answer. I just read it out. So this is how you can use the free API key for Gemma 4 without paying a single penny. Now, if you wish to use the model for free in a local system without an API key, you want to use the model weights, that can also be done. Let me show you the codes for that too. So here you can see that I'm using Gemma 4 E2B instruction. There are multiple versions that the team has released. I will be jumping onto the details of each one shortly. This is the code that has been released on Hugging Face to use the model. The model is available on Hugging Face too. Just search for Gemma 4. You would be able to get that. I'm trying to run it on Google Colab, but as you can see, I'm running out of memory. So unable to do it. This will happen with you as well, I will tell you, because these models, when you try to run it locally, they require a lot of memory. So I think the best option is to use the API key. If not, go to Hugging Face page for Gemma 4 and get the codes directly from there. Now, as we are done, we'll now try to talk about the details of the model. Gemma 4 31B instruction. There are multiple versions that has been released. Here you can see that supports 128 languages. The context length is huge, 256K, and it is multi-model. Do remember that. It has been released under the Apache 2.0 license, hence it can be used for commercial purposes as well. What is Gemma 4? I think it is an open source model built by Google DeepMind. Multi-model text, image, audio, whatever you have, it can intake that. It has been released in 4 sizes. One is E2B, E4B, 26B, A4B, and 31B. So the free API key that we were talking about was about the 31B model. Context window is quite huge, 256K. Long document processing is quite easy with Gemma 4. Key capabilities in architecture, it's reasoning, highly capable reasoners, configurable thinking modes are there. I think right now most of the LLMs are coming with this option of configuring the reasoning model. Extended multimodality, not just images or video, it also supports audio too. Diverse architectures, dense and mixture of experts, both are released. On-device optimization, efficient for local execution. So pretty good for your local mobile as well. The context window is quite huge and enhanced coding and agentic capabilities as well. Support modalities, as I've already mentioned. Text, all model supports. Image, variable resolutions is supported by all the models. So it can be 16:9, 9:16, 1:1. Whatever image you give it, it will handle that. Video frame sequence is 60 seconds max, 1 frame per second. And audio, E2B and A4B models only support audio for now, 30 seconds maximum. Both speech recognition and translation is possible. The 4 models that are released have these configurations. E2B is 2.3 billion parameters. That's quite small. 35 layers, 128K context window. So both the E2B and E4B that supports audio have a smaller context window, as you can see, and mainly made for mobile devices. And they also have audio support too. 26B, A4B and 31B dense don't have audio support, and the context length is quite huge also. 26B, A4B is a mixture of experts. So they have released multiple architectures, multiple capabilities. I think this is quite interesting to see. A great release that has been done. Dense models, I think E2B versus A4B versus 31B. So if you can see that, number of layers, context window, support is very different. 31B is majorly for workstations. The parameter size is quite huge, 30.7B. So I think that at consumer grade GPU, it's very difficult to run this model. Mixture of expert. The only model which comes up with the MOE architecture is 26B A4B, which has total parameters is 25 billion parameters, active is 3.8. Expert network has 120 total and context is quite huge. It also doesn't support video and audio. Do remember that. Benchmarks, I think the model are quite good, as you can see. As you can see, these are the benchmark numbers for vision and multimodal performance. I'm not jumping much into the details. Core capabilities, as we have already seen, everything can be done with this series of models, and given the size and given the performance, I think Google has already mentioned that it is one of the best open source models released so far, comparing with Kimi K2.52. Quick start, how to get started. I think you need to go to Hugging Face page, get the codes that I was showing you. This is the code that I'm using, and it supports transformers, PyTorch, accelerate, etc. Everything is quite there. What are the best practices and configuration? Audio processing is 30 seconds, video is 60 seconds, image resolution is any 70, 140, 280, 560, 1120. Sampling temperature should be 1, thinking mode, multi-chat, model order. Whatever you wish to do, just look at this particular slide. You would be able to get a lot of answers. Applications and use cases, I think it's quite easy. Content creation, conversational AI, text summarization, image analysis, audio processing, what you can think of it, these models can do that. Gemma4 31B instruction 2. This is the best model so far in the series that has been released, but you can try out other models too. With this, it's a wrap. I hope you try out all the models and let me know in the comments section how you feel about the new Gemma series. Thank you so much.